Your smart refrigerator might be the easiest door into an entire computer network, and that's just one of 3 stories quietly moving money this week. A $400 million Wall Street crypto bet, a tariff standoff with Brazil, and appliances being turned into hacker backdoors. Let's break it down. First of the crypto note. Citadel Securities, one of the biggest market makers on Wall Street, just invested $400 million in Crypto.com, valuing the exchange at $20 billion. That's the first institutional funding round in the company's 10-year history, a company most people probably know from the arena in Los Angeles and those metal rewards cards. The money is aimed at tokenized securities and derivatives, traditional stocks and contracts trading on blockchain rails 24/7. To be clear, that's not advice to buy anything. It's a read on where big money thinks finance is going. The biggest players aren't treating crypto like a casino anymore. They're treating it like infrastructure. Second, Brazil. The US has finalized a 25% tariff package on Brazilian goods. Here's the wallet version. Everyday items. Coffee, beef, certain fruits, even aircraft parts got exemptions, so don't expect grocery sticker shock overnight. The squeeze is upstream. Brazilian chemicals and minerals feed American fertilizer production, and when farm inputs cost more, food prices tend to follow, slowly, months later. Brazil isn't backing down either. It's moving to activate its economic reciprocity law, a fast lane for matching tariffs, and taking the dispute to the World Trade Organization. If retaliation lands on American exports, U.S. manufacturers could feel the pinch too. Trade fights move prices in slow motion, inputs first, shelves later. Watch the supply chain, not the headlines. Third, and this one's personal for an appliance guy, appliances as hacker doors. Right now, federal agencies are racing an emergency deadline to patch 2 actively exploited flaws in SonicWall network appliances, the boxes that manage remote logins for entire companies. Chained together, those flaws can hand an attacker control of the appliance itself, and from there, a quiet path deep into the internal network. And it's not just enterprise gear. Remember the casino that got breached through a smart thermometer in its lobby fish tank? Hackers broke into the thermometer, landed inside the network, and walked out with the high roller database. Why do appliances keep working as backdoors? 3 reasons. Nobody watches them. Companies monitor laptops, not fridges. Security software can't run on them. The firmware won't allow it. And too many networks are flat, meaning once you're in the fish tank, you can see the servers. So here's your 5-minute fix at home. Change the default password on every smart appliance you own. Keep the firmware updated. And park your smart devices on your router's guest network, away from your computers. 3 steps. And the fridge stays a fridge instead of a doorway. 5 minutes of setup is cheaper than any breach, and cheaper than any service call I've ever run. Big money is rewiring finance, tariffs are rewiring prices, and your appliances might be rewiring your security. The common thread? The stuff you don't watch is the stuff that costs you. If locking that digital backdoor just saved you a headache, a quick like helps this reach more people, and subscribing keeps breakdowns like this coming your way.